Hello and welcome to another episode of Spirit Seeking with Pratik on Sound Health Solution. There's no human being who's spared by hiccups, right? I recently had hiccups for an entire day and thought that it was about time I look for its remedy. And I found it in, guess what? In mudras, right? So what usually happens is when we eat a lot or we eat something spicy or eat something hot, our diaphragm, which is the base of our breathing organ, right? It gets affected, right? And there seems to be a lot of empty spaces around it. And in order to fill those empty spaces, we have hiccups, right? So I'm going to tell you about the mudras that are effective in hiccups. So I call this the Hiccup Mudra. It's a very simple mudra. All you have to do is keep all of your fingers straight and then join the tip of your thumb with the tip of your middle finger and the tip of your ring finger. What we are doing here is we are controlling the sky element, which is the element of emptiness in the body, which is the element of spirit in the body, and the element of earth, which is the element of solid materials in the body. Hiccups are usually caused by an excess in sky element or excess in the earth element. And by doing this, we balance both the elements in the body, right? So it's very simple. Let me repeat it again. Join the tip of your thumb, which represents the fire element, to the tip of the middle finger, which represents the sky element, and the tip of the ring finger, which represents the earth element. And as you do this, leave the other two fingers intact and straight. This almost looks like the sign that metalheads do when they're singing a song, but it also helps you out in hiccups, right? Now, do this for a while, and after this, change your mudra to the air mudra, right? We've talked about this mudra before, the air mudra. If you haven't, there should be a link somewhere here. Check it out immediately, right? So in this, what we are doing is we are controlling the excess of air in the body. This finger represents the air element. And we fold this and we control it with the fire element. We burn the excess of air in the body, right? And this also helps you eventually in hiccups. It might take some time, but be patient. Be patient. Enjoy the hiccups, all right? The thing about the Hiccup Mudra is that it not only helps in hiccups, but it also cleanses the nerves of the entire body. We have a map of the entire nervous system in our hands, right? And our feet. And when we do this mudra, it cleanses the entire nerve system. And not only in hiccups, this mudra is also beneficial if you have vomiting, or if you have indigestion, or if you have headaches related with excess of air in the body, or you have diarrhea. Any kind of digestive problems is also solved by this hiccup mudra, right? What this mudra also does is that it regulates the process of sweating in the body, right? If you have any elements inside the body that needs to be excreted, that needs to be rid from the body, but your body is unable to do it immediately, if you do this mudra through sweating, it rids your body of all the unwanted materials. The Hiccup Mudra is actually a magical mudra and works in joint pains, problems of the gum, problems of the teeth, high blood pressure, and even diabetes. If you continuously practice this mudra, what it does is it stabilizes your second and third chakra of the body, which is the Swadhisthana and the Manipur chakra, which means it brings a disturbed chakra to its original position. And hence, when your chakra is in its stable original position, it slowly starts healing all of your digestive problems. This mudra is especially beneficial in all ailments regarding the lower part of the body, below your belly button. So that was all about the hiccup mudra. Let's recap it one last time. You have to do the hiccup mudra, which is touching the tip of your thumb with the tip of your middle finger and your ring finger for a while. You can do it turn by turn. You can do this mudra first and then do the air control mudra, which is to press the stem of your ring finger, which controls your air element, by your thumb, right? If you liked this video, do not forget to press the like button. Do not forget to leave us a like. And if you like whatever is happening in Sound Health Solution, do not forget to subscribe to us, because we come with more videos like these. Let's build a community of new age enlightened human beings. Until next time.